Hey guys and girls, I'm back tonight to do a quick review on the Chapin handheld fertilizer. This is a Home Depot seeds review, so let's get started. One of the things that I noticed with this particular handheld fertilizer, I have several of them, is, you know, it's not too heavy. It has an adjustment here on the handle to go from one, if you're doing like small seeds and smaller granular, maybe some fire ant killer, that type of stuff. And then all the way up to, you can move the setting all the way up to 3, and that's for full size granular fertilizer. It holds pretty good in your hand. It's fairly balanced. It has an enclosed gears, so you don't have to worry about the gears getting any dirt or fertilizer in them, jamming them up. Feels fairly sturdy. You know, these go for, you know, around 15 bucks, I believe. So, you know, I'm going to test it out here. I'm going to go ahead and set the adjustment on it to 3. I'm going to add a little fertilizer here to it. And then we're going to go, let me get a little more in here. There we go. So I've added, you know, just enough so that we can test the fertilizer. And we'll go outside and I'll let you see how it actually spreads and works. Okay guys, we're outside the shop now. I'm going to give this a quick little test. I have so you can see it spreads pretty good. Seems to do really well with the fertilizer. So it's got a smooth, you know, the one thing I did notice here, with the granular fertilizer, it seems to, you know, occasionally the cranks a little, you know, get jammed a little bit. You know, maybe that could be fixed by adjusting the handle back down to maybe 2 instead of 3 to limit how much actually fertilizer goes out. But at this point, I want to try some. I have some granular ant killer, and I want to put some of that in here and see how that does. Okay guys, I've got some fire ant control granulars in here, and I've adjusted the handle here down to 1 because that's what it's recommended to do. Let's just see how that disperses. Now this seems to be a lot smoother dispersing this fire ant control than it did with the fertilizer. So this is something that in Texas we do a lot. We have to put fertilizer and down, but you know, the ant killer, man, this thing gets to be once a month. So, you know, I would definitely recommend this if you're putting down granular ant killer. It works really well. Like I said, with the fertilizer, it seemed the handle seemed to jam a little bit. So, you know, I might give it a 2. You know, this is not the most expensive handheld fertilizer. I do have some others that are a little beefier. You know, you can just tell. They're not all, they're thicker plastic, and they seem to work better, and they don't jam up on bigger particle fertilizer. But as far as for ant control, works really well. I think it would do the same thing for like Bermuda seed. If you were putting out Bermuda seed or something like that, would work really well. They say that you can use it up north. They use it for salt melt during the winter and stuff, so I'm sure that works really well for that. You know, here in Texas we don't have that much snow, so we don't really have a use for salt melt, but the manufacturer does say that it does disperse that through this also. So fertilizer, ant killer, granular ant killer, salt melt, all of these are recommended. You could use this handheld spreader with. Overall, you know, I'd probably give it, you know, a 2 thumbs up. It's not the highest quality hand spreader I've ever used, but it's good quality, and for the amount that it's sold for, like I said, they sell for around 15 bucks. I think it's a good value. You know, maybe if you have a really small yard, you don't want a walk behind $100 spreader, this would definitely be the way to go. You could get by with a handheld spreader, and it's multi-use. You could use it to, like I said, spread the ant killer, granular, regular fertilizer, Bermuda seed, Yeah, you know, you could probably even put down some bird seed with this if you like to spread bird seed. So anyway, if you like this video, if you have any questions, comment below. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends. See you next time.